I think this is Nightmare Bonnie or Withered Bonnie. I don't know. Let's pack it up. I think it's Nightmare Bonnie. Thank you.
You like it?
Yep.
Oh, shout out to your daddy.
Shout out to my father. Look, it's Nightmare Bonnie. I think this is Nightmare Bonnie. Okay, I'm gonna get the scissors.
Ako na.
Wala dyan.
Rob, let me do it for
Alam mo,
you.
delikado yung
Rob,
ginagawa
put it,
niyan.
go down. Please go down.
Hindi
Please
ko
go down.
nilalagay yung gunting dyan, ha?
Be careful. Be careful. Let me do it. No, don't need it. Just do like this, oh.
Oh, yeah.
It's open.
Oh, yeah. What's just the mouse?
Wala pong isang araw yung sira na.
Hindi mo pa ito gagamitin sa Halloween pa, ha?
Masuot mo ngayon, picturean mo,
Suot ko na.
tago mo. Ang sila yan, magwawala talaga pag gano'n yan. Sa pagka.
Sorry guys, my dad was too kasi. My
Walang hindi
dad,
mag-ano, mami, yan ang budget ko.
my father is causing so much. I think he forgot he's a Christian, but my dad is a Christian. I think he forgot he's a Christian. Because Christians don't cuss. I think this is Nightmare Bonnie. I think this is Goofy Nightmare Bonnie. Or this
Bali mo yung t-shirt. Remove your t-shirt. Remove your t-shirt.
guys. Look at me. What? Look at me guys, I'm Nightmare Bonnie, but
I'll buy you yung hands.
because I don't have hands.
I'll buy you.
Even the feet. Goodbye guys.